as we could. Watched, had guys entertaining us. We had videos going on in the room and music going on. It's all about good. Good time trying to kind of use attention and.
I was talking to Jason Mott. I don't know if you got a chance to see this. You're probably too busy with concentrating on the game, but in one of the innings, they did this last year.
This is driving on the highway by this Busch Stadium. It's right there.
With a bunch of the reactions, jumping around
Get a glimpse into it. Just a second. It looked just right.
They put that together with the Cardinals. They're going to find out, but he was awesome. Very inspiring. Have you caught that yet?
I think it was on at the clubhouse at one point. One of the things we were watching in there was, I think, the same thing that people were watching outside.
Heading east into Illinois. Across the Poplar Street Bridge. It's about 5:23 p.m. the 18th of October, 2012. Across the Mississippi River. Traffic was pretty light going across for being right around rush hour.